Hey everyone, John here from Arched Manor, and I've got something fun to show you today. This is the Green Machine 62 volt cordless 23-inch self-propelled mower, and spoiler, it's been awesome to use. I'll walk you through the features, talk about how it compares to gas mowers, show you how it cuts, and share some real-world pros and cons. Also, if you're thinking about going cordless, I've got a special offer for this mower in the description below, just for you. Well, let's get started. All right, let's start with the setup. Out of the box, this thing was incredibly easy to assemble. I'm talking minutes, not hours. I cut the box sides down to lay flat, removed all the packaging and bubble wrap, attached the upper handle to the base using the twist screws provided, inserted the charged battery, and was ready to mow. Now let's talk about some of the key features of this mower. It has 62 volt cordless power with an 8 amp battery and ultra fast charger. It has self-propelled rear wheel drive, which for bigger yards is great to have, especially for large slopes. It has a 3-in-1 discharge system. You can mulch, you can bag, you can side discharge, and it is super easy to switch between them. It has a single lever deck height adjustment. This is huge. Instead of just adjusting each wheel individually, one lever controls the entire mower's height from low to high. It has LED headlights, so yes, even if you're mowing in the dark, the built-in lights can be helpful. And it has a 23-inch deck, which gives you a nice wide cutting path without being too bulky. All right, let's talk about why I'm liking this mower more than a gas mower. First off, no gas, no oil, no mess. That's a big win. It has a push button start, no more yanking a pull cord like you're starting a chainsaw. There are no fumes or heat produced by the mower, which I appreciate on a hot day like this one. And maintenance, basically non-existent. You have no spark plugs, no oil changes, no fuel stabilizers, very low maintenance. All right, so how does it actually mow? I tested this on my yard using the bag, and all in all, this mower did a fantastic job. The handle can also be adjusted so that if you're a tall guy like me, you can have a higher height, which makes it easier to push and take some stress off your back. The rear wheel self-propelled system makes it super easy to handle, especially on slopes and hills like I have in my front yard. I could get this mower up the hill with just one hand. Now, the old model of this mower had front wheel self-propulsion, which was hard to maneuver and use, so having rear wheel propulsion is a huge improvement. I also really like the paddle controls on the handle for engaging the self-propelled system. The battery on this mower is the star of the show. It's an 8 amp 62 volt battery, and it's double the size of the 4 amp battery we use on our other Green Machine tools. It slides into the mower easily, and I like that there are battery indicator lights on the back of the mower so you can monitor the charge level while mowing. The battery will last for about 70 minutes, which is probably enough juice for most average yards. I also love the fact that I can adjust the deck height with just one lever, and there are 6 different heights to choose from. Having only one lever is a huge time saver and ensures you have an even cut. The motor is brushless and provides ample power while cutting, no hesitation or choking like you experience on some gas-powered mowers. The 22-inch blade is sharp and the mower deck is sturdy, and it feels like it will last for decades. The bag is a standard size bag and fits on the unit securely. The grass discharges nicely from the deck to the bag with no clumps or clogs. The wheels also have a beefy tread pattern that gave this mower a ton of grip throughout the yard. All right, let's talk about some of the pros and cons of this Green Machine lawnmower. Pros. First, it's quick and easy to set up. Powerful cordless performance, 3 discharge options, 1 lever height adjustment, adjustable self-propelled rear wheels, no gas smell, no maintenance headaches, all in all, a solid machine. All right, the cons. It's a little heavier than it looks. Weighing in at 75 pounds, it's not the lightest lawnmower. The self-propelled wheels definitely help with this, but it's something to note. And speaking of self-propelled wheels, there's a bit of a delay between when you activate it using the paddles and when the wheels actually start to go. Not a huge deal as you get used to the timing, but my gas mower definitely had a much better response time for the drive activation. Another con is the noise. So being electric, I expected this mower to be a bit quieter than it actually is. I'm not sure of the decibel level, but it's definitely comparable to a gas mower. Lastly, the LED headlights seem a bit gimmicky. I don't know a lot of people that mow at night. It doesn't hurt to have them there, but I don't think it adds much value. But honestly, that's about it. Nothing that would stop me from purchasing this unit. The pros definitely outweigh the cons, and overall, I'm really impressed with this Green Machine mower. They did a great job of improving the original design and this version checks all the boxes for me. I definitely recommend this one. If you're ready to ditch gas and switch to something cleaner, more reliable, and honestly just more fun to use, the Green Machine 62-volt mower is a solid pick. Check out the link in the description below. There's a special offer there waiting for you. And if you have any questions about how it's working for me, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help. If you found value in this video, please hit that like button and subscribe as well so you don't miss new videos just like this one that we post. All right, guys, happy mowing, and I'll see you guys in the next video.